Hi everyone, you're watching Jana FX, and I would like to show you a little bit of today's trades with my EA. Right now I'm showing you how to use it if you still not sure about it. This is the placing the trades with level lines, and as you can see I'm showing you this as setups. I placed with the distance of 20 pips, so the pending orders buy stop and sell stop will be 20 pips above green line and below red line. So I'm showing you placing the orders on euro dollar, and now it is dollar yen. So once again it's the level lines with the same setups. These are just horizontal lines, so I'm placing with the channel. So now, as you can see, Australian dollar, I'm using trend line. So if you press the button, you can see that the line is a bit more flexible, and now it's not just horizontal. I can use it as a trend line, and as you can see, I'm placing it on top of my previous trend line, and it's the buy stop, and the sell stop I'm placing at the bottom just in case. I presuming that the market might break and go up. These are the same levels I'm having for dollar Canadian for today, and one is a trend line and another one is a level line with the also same settings, 20 pips above and 20 pips below pending orders. So you can see after a while, I haven't been watching it, but I checked my trades and euro dollar moved, and I'm in a trade. Dollar yen had a move already, and actually it's got me in a trade and it's already closed it. As you can see, there is nothing floating, and I have Australian dollar is in a trade. You can see it's already closed half positions, and I'm showing that it says the trailing stop. So, and it's continuing the way. This is the New Zealand dollar, one of the trades. If you watch my weekly technical analysis, I showed it to you in the screenshots, and this is the results you can see for today. Just placing the orders with the EA, so it's closed some of them half positions and left the running. So now at the end of the day I closed some of the positions. You can see the results, so I've done it manually because I don't want to leave it for the next day. So that's the quick presentation of the EA, what can it do and how to use it. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, more videos to come, and if you like an EA, please check out the description. Don't miss it, it's very useful, especially to trade news events, and we are going to have more this week and obviously next week. So you can find all the information in the description under this video. Thank you for watching. Happy trading, and I see you later. Bye everyone.